Using Monzo Abroad is quite straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process. Firstly, open Monzo in any browser. If you don't have an account, no worries, I'll walk you through it. Monzo doesn't block your card when used in another country. Instead, they inform you of the local exchange rate and provide a spending summary upon your return. Plus, they don't mark up the exchange rate, ensuring you get the best deal. When using card machines, opt for paying in the local currency for the best rates. Understand the overseas ATM withdrawal fees, which include a 3% fee for withdrawals exceeding your limit. Monzo offers different withdrawal allowances based on account types, ranging from unlimited free withdrawals to fee-free withdrawals up to certain amounts. Some ATMs may charge fees, so try to use free machines when possible. Lastly, carry a spare card as a backup, as Monzo cards generally work anywhere MasterCard is accepted, but occasional issues may arise.